Exploring the phrase, ring road. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the phrase, ring road. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it effectively in a conversation. So, let's get started. Before we get into the exact meaning of the phrase, let's break down the words. 1. Ring. A circle or a circular band. 2. Road. A pathway, usually paved, which vehicles and pedestrians can use for traveling. Together, these words create a specific imagery. Can you guess what it might be? A ring road is a main road or a series of connected roads that encircles a town, city, or country. Imagine a circle around a city. That's essentially what a ring road is. It's designed to help traffic flow smoothly without having to go through the central part of the town or city. Why do we have ring roads? Here's why. 1. Traffic diversion. They divert traffic away from busy city centers, reducing congestion. 2. Efficiency. They provide a quicker route for vehicles not needing to go into the city. 3. Safety. By reducing traffic in city centers, there's a potential decrease in accidents. If you've ever visited or lived in a major city, you might have used a ring road without even realizing it. Let's see the phrase in action. 1. I took the ring road to avoid the morning rush in the city center. 2. The city is planning to construct a new ring road to reduce traffic congestion. 3. If you're heading to the suburbs, it's faster to take the ring road. And that's the ring road for you. It's more than just a combination of two simple words. It represents a significant piece of infrastructure in modern cities. We hope you found this video helpful, and the next time you hear or use the term ring road, you'll do so with confidence. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.